everyone, Lauren here from eProperty.net. I've just picked up a brand new listing in Wilgevel that I'd like to share with you. This is a lovely family home. It consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a double garage and a private garden in a well secured complex and right close to the Curio School. Let's go have a look.